In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. By the end of this quick 5-minute tutorial, you'll have a clean, shareable form that helps you collect the information you need to book time with clients or teammates. So let's start by opening Google Drive. Alright, just head over to your Drive, and once you're in, click on the New button. From there, select Google Forms, and you can open a blank form. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your appointment request form, and trust me, it's super easy. Now that you have your blank form open, let's get to the fun part, giving it a title. Head over to the top of the form and enter a clear title like Appointment Schedule. This way, anyone looking at the form will instantly understand its purpose. You can also add a short description just below the title. This might include details on how your scheduling works, such as your expected response time or your availability window. It's a great way to set clear expectations and make the process smoother for everyone. Next, let's move on to the essential questions you need to include. Start with asking for their name, email, and phone number. This way you'll have reliable contact details. For each of these, use the short answer question type and make sure to turn on the required option. This ensures that no one can skip these important fields, which is crucial for effective communication. Now for the email question, it's a good idea to choose response validation and set it to collect a valid email format. This little tweak is going to greatly reduce the chances of typos. For the phone number field, you can add a brief hint about your preferred format, like, please include area code, which helps to keep responses consistent. Now that we have the basics, let's capture the availability of the respondents. Add a question for preferred days. For this, you can use checkboxes, which work nicely if you're okay with them selecting multiple options. If you prefer to keep it simple and would like just one choice, go for a multiple choice question. You might list out days from Monday through Friday or whatever fits your schedule best. And don't forget to include an other option just in case they have special requests. Next up is the question about preferred time. If you want the respondents to type in their ideal time, you can use the time question type. However, if you want to have tighter control, consider using a drop-down with specific time slots, like 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., and so on. Just remember to add some clarification about the time zone you're in. This little note can save you and your clients from confusion. Now, is there anything else you need to ask? Maybe you want to gather information about the purpose of the appointment, or whether it'll be in person or virtual. Go ahead and add those questions now using the short answer, multiple choice, or paragraph question formats. Just a friendly reminder, it's best to keep your form focused and brief. This encourages more people to respond. Once you feel like you have everything you need, it's time to test it out. Click on the preview icon to see how your form looks. Pretend you're the respondent and run through the questions. Make sure everything reads clearly and that all required fields function properly and the layout is easy to follow. If you find anything confusing, this is a great time to tweak the wording before you go live with it. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to share your creation. Just click on the Send button to publish your form. You can easily copy the link and share it via email, chat, or even your website. If you'd like, you can also shorten the URL for easier sharing. And that's it! Your appointment scheduling form is now live. As responses start rolling in, you can head over to the Responses tab, where you'll be able to review submissions and follow up to confirm the final details. Happy scheduling, and thanks for joining me today.